Hi everyone, it's me Anju. Welcome to my blog. Today I'm gonna share to you one of my adventure in Thailand, and I'm gonna tell you later all the details about this tour. So meanwhile, watch muna po tayo ng konti. Wait, what are you doing, girl? Nasa gitna talaga siya. Well, she's local. She know how things work. So this tour, we booked this in Klook, and it's called Mike Long Railway Market. It's a bus tour, 1.5 hour drive from Bangkok. And worth it naman siya talaga. Look at that. Ang dami mga turista. Lahat kami halos dyan, turista. Ayan, pasensya na po kayo, yung tension po, yung voice po namin malakas. So, i-off ko muna tong voice recorder ko. Enjoy muna po kayo. So this is probably one of the highlights of my trip in Bangkok. Highly recommended ko talaga to. Bye guys.